Okay, let's discuss about the 3 pillars of Basel. First, point 1, minimum capital requirement. In order to survive, banks need a minimum capital at any point of time. Even if there is a run on bank, there are many loans getting defaulted, still you should have a minimum capital adequacy ratio, minimum capital. ठीक है, मान लीजिए आप FD करते हैं, ठीक है, आप FD वगैरह में रखते हैं. Sometimes you tend to invest in stock markets. You saw a market opportunity, you invested all of your money into share market, and then share market crashed. What will happen to all your savings, all your dreams, all your child's education, all your future plans? मैं एक रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल आपको देता हूँ. जैसे आप आज सोमवार आपने ज्वाइन किया होगा बैंक, 3 दिन का लंबा छुट्टी था. आफ्टर दैट एवरीबॉडी गॉट स्कोल्डेड बाय देयर बॉस, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि छुट्टी वो अपने हाथ से देते हैं. तो किसी ना किसी को तो आज इंसल्ट किया ही होगा. बहुत सारे लोग आज इंसल्ट हुए होंगे, क्या है छुट्टी में चले गए आप लोग, काम कुछ नहीं हुआ है, टारगेट अचीव नहीं हुआ है, मंथ एंड आने वाला है, आप लोग छुट्टी का मजा लेते हो, काम नहीं करते. ये सब आज कॉल बहुत हुआ होगा. इन बाय 11 or 12 o'clock you all of you would have thought of quitting this job, but then you would have reminded so many EMI dues, house rents, marriage, child's education, so many burdens you have, and you don't have adequate capital. If you would have no loans and great amount of FD, great amount of saving, what you would have done, you would have thrown out the paper and started preparing with knowledge कि मैं बैंकिंग लैटरल एंट्री में चला जाऊंगा, मेरे पास तो सिलेक्शन है, मेरे पास नॉलेजिस्ट है, डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. Only because you don't have capital, you have to go through all that trauma today, right? So minimum capital is something like that. Even if there are trauma situations for the bank, even if there are illiquid situations, there is no scope for the banks to survive, then banks tap on their reserves and they go on doing the business. Then comes the supervisory review process. What is supervisory review process? Means when banks are listed in stock markets, the supervisors like Reserve Bank of India, SEBI, the NSE, the BSE want them to disclose sufficient data to the stock market so that nobody gets bullied, nobody gets wronged, nobody gets misinformation from these institutions. ठीक है? Then comes the market discipline. You don't manipulate your stocks, you don't manipulate your income, you don't hide your provisioning, you don't hide your NPAs so that someday your entire portfolio will get burst. ठीक है?